As we all know about the Roy G. Biv scale, we all know how we see color. The sun gives off all colors, but the ones we see are the ones that are rejected most by the thing we are looking at. So when you look at a green blade of grass, it is every color but green, and the green shows because it does not get absorbed. Hair is mainly keratin, the same protein found in skin and fingernails. The natural color of the hair depends on the ratio and basically how many of other proteins you have, like eumelanin or pheomelanin. Eumelanin is responsible for brown to black hair shades, while pheomelanin is responsible for golden blonde, ginger, or red hair colors. When these two things aren't there, then melanin produces white or gray hair. People have been coloring their hair for thousands of years using plants and minerals. Some of these natural agents contain pigments like henna or black walnut shells, and others contain natural bleaching agents or cause reactions that can change the color of the hair, like vinegar. Hair bleaching is a reaction between the melanin in your hair and the hydrogen peroxide, and it burns a lot when it's on your scalp. Coloring hair uses hydrogen peroxide to break down the hair's natural color, and then the peroxide also oxidizes a large molecule reaction with dye monomers. When the dye is absorbed inside the hair, it creates a color molecule that is too big to easily come back out. The outer layer of the hair, or its cuticle, must be open before the permanent color can go into the hair. Once the hair cuticle is open, the dye reacts with the inner part of the hair, the cortex, to deposit or remove the color. Most permanent hair colors use a two-step process, usually occurring at the same time, which first removes the original color of the hair and then puts down a new color. It's basically the same process as lightening, except a color is then bonded within the cuticle. Ammonia is the alkaline chemical that opens the cuticle and allows the hair color to go into the cortex of the hair. It also acts as a color enhancer when the permanent hair color comes together with the peroxide. Peroxide is used as the developer or oxidizing agent. The developer removes pre-existing color, and peroxide breaks chemical bonds in the hair, releasing sulfur, which accounts for the characteristic odor of hair color. As the melanin is decolorized, a new permanent color is bonded to the hair's cortex. Various types of alcohols and conditioners may also be present in the hair color. The conditioners close the cuticle after coloring, to seal in and protect the new hair color. And today, over 75% of women in the U.S. color their hair, with men following suit.